guys want to win some super clean? Stick around, because we're doing a giveaway of some of this stuff. Yep, posted a giveaway video a couple weeks ago. I think it's time that we pick the winner. So let's see who's the winner. So let's get the link. Copy link address. Okay, I got a YouTube random comment picker. Paste the link there. And here we go. Now let's try the anything goes. All right, let's see who wins. Pick a winner. At Rail9222, you are the winner. So what you need to do is reach out to me via the email link, which will be in the description, and let me know your name and address, and I will forward that to Super Clean and they will send you the product. Congratulations. And here is Rail9222's channel on YouTube. Make sure you check him out, subscribe, look at his videos. Really appreciate it. Congratulations again for being the winner in our first giveaway.